Hello friends, I am Saurabh. Let's have a look at a simple problem today, which is how to find leaders in an array. So the problem statement is, given an array of integers, we have to print the leaders in the array. A leader is an element which is larger than all the elements in the array to its right. Let us take one example to understand the problem. Consider the following input array. Here leaders in this input array are 27, 54 and 98. Why? Because for any of these elements, there is no element to its right which is greater than it. For example, for the element 54, there is no element to its right which is greater than it. Now let's have a look at the algorithm for solving this problem. These steps will be explained in detail with an example in subsequent slides. Do not worry if you do not get it right away. So we start iterating over the input array starting from the rightmost element, keeping track of the largest element. Let's call it as currentLeader. If a larger element is found, then print it and set currentLeader to the current element. Note that the last element is a leader since there is no element to its right. The algorithm can be visualized by considering array elements as towers and printing towers which are visible if seen from the right. So in current diagram, which all towers will be visible if seen through the right view? The highlighted towers, which is the towers with the heights 27, 54 and 98. These are leaders. Please note that the leaders will be seen in sorted order when seen from the right. I hope it is clear. Let's take one example to visualize the algorithm. You can visualize the algorithm exactly same as here on our web portal as well, which is www.ideserve.co.in. It is highly recommended to do so, as this will help you immensely to visualize the algorithm. Let's start with the iteration. So current element is 27. We initialize currentLeader to 27 and we output it. Why? Because we have already discussed that last element is a leader. So print 27. Let's move on to next iteration. Now current element is 7. Since 7 is not greater than currentLeader, we move on to next iteration. Now current element is 20. Again this is smaller than currentLeader, so we move on to next iteration. Again current element 12 is not greater than currentLeader, so we move on to next iteration. Now current element is 54. Here 54 is greater than currentLeader, which is 27. So we update currentLeader to 54 and we print currentLeader. Now current element is 23, which is less than currentLeader, which is 54. So we move on to next iteration. Now current element is 98. Since 98 is greater than currentLeader, which is 54, we update currentLeader to 98 and print currentLeader. We are done iterating over the array and the leaders are 27, 54 and 98. Time complexity of the algorithm is order of n and space complexity order of 1. Have you checked our iDeserve web portal at www.ideserve.co.in? We are uploading new topics every day. Please check it out and leave us your feedback. Please let us know your valuable suggestion on current topic. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our iDeserve channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.